Got to use van life to get me to the trailhead, my feet to get out here. Let me show you around. This is why I go outdoors, right here. Let me show you what I'm looking at. Yep, that's what it's all about. Not to camp yet, but this place is gorgeous. Oh. Well, we found camp for the night, guys. This is camp. Came with lawn furniture, which is nice. You gotta love that. But we're gonna head down to the water, drink a little water, and chill for a little bit. We'll bring you with.
Well, this beautiful waterway is about 50 feet from camp, so we decided to throw some coffees together, kick back, and relax, and sit on the banks. Sooner or later, we should really set up camp, though.
Well, guys, we got campsite set up. We're relaxing by that water for a long time. I sure we got our hammock set up. We're supposed to get a little bit of rain tonight, so we're both kind of in porch mode a little bit. Let me show you what you got here. Barry's got his house tarp. Sizable with doors. He's got the war bonnet. It's pretty awesome. It comes with that built-in underquilt on there. Rocking the porch mode. Got the hammock gear, DCF, Cuban fiber, whatever you'd like to call it. And I have my amazing little dream hammock there. Now, my quilts are kind of cold weather. We're used to going out in cold weather. So I don't have my hammock gear 20s or 0s with me. I'm using his Eno. These are 40s. And we're going to rock away there. So he's got the 40-degree top. I've got the 40s. Both rocking in porch mode. I'd throw out the snake skins, but we're going to get a little rain tonight. And you know me, it's coffee time. Oh, sweet coffee time. It's our gasifier twig stove and kettle. I'll link that down below, and it's rocking and firing, man. A couple twigs, some water, and we are gonna down some coffee. Always feels good. And probably head back to that, sit by the water for a little bit. I'll talk to you after coffee time.
Well, you can't sit by the waterfall all night, right? Time to get back to camp, light that fire, kick back, and enjoy why we came out here, including some really damn good steaks. They came out amazing. Nothing like packing in some steaks to the backcountry. And we sit back, relax, listen to the birds and nature's sounds until nightfall. And we'll catch you in the morning.
Well, it's time for camp chores, if you can hear me over the water, but yeah, nothing better than doing chores at about 7 a.m. beside this, right? This area is so beautiful. Gives chores a whole new name. Let's go make some coffee and relax. Good day. Just gonna say, what's camping without coffee, man? Coffee time. Here we go, the worst part of camping, breaking down camp. Wish we could stay out longer, but we're gonna get some stuff done. So we're gonna break it down. I got the tarp back in my snake skins. We're gonna start packing up. We've gone from the single track trail back to the old cattle road, so that means we're getting that close to the vehicle. Oh, it's great to get outdoors, even just for the overnight, because every night in a hammock is a good night. It was nice. As I mentioned, the weather is just perfect. And as a bonus, we got to do a little more field testing on the old gasifier and kettle, which it's nice when field testing means you have to go out into the wild. But we'll be back in the truck, probably about a quarter, half mile maybe, hit the road. We'll go see Hallis Dog and see how Missy's doing in Eddie Vander. And we'll check back out with you. Hopefully we get back out into the woods and not too long. Well, here we are, back of the truck. Smile is smaller. Back to the real world. However, I think there is a cheeseburger in my future, so that's a good thing. Yes. Let's get this done. We'll throw these in the truck and go. Yeah. A little keto surprise after the trail.